Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. Here we are going to see the classes of accommodation on Indian Railways, which is very also necessary for our departmental exam, because in exams alpha code is asked, minimum distance how much required for first AC, second AC, sleeper class is also asked. So this is very necessary, this is very useful for our coming departmental exams. Okay, let us start the class. Class AC first class, code is 1A, alpha code H. Minimum distance for charge in kilometer is 300. Minimum basic fare at minimum distance is rupees 1059 for peak hour, 998 for lean hour. What is peak hour? What is peak and what is lean? We will discuss later. Okay. Reservation charges for AC first class is 60 rupees. Supplementary charges for super fast train is 75 rupees for AC first class. AC 2 tier, code is 2A, alpha code is A. Minimum distance for charge is 300. Minimum basic fare for peak 625, for lean 605. Reservation charge is 50 rupees. Supplementary charges is 45 rupees. First class, code is FC, alpha code is F. Minimum distance 100 km. Minimum charge 232 rupees. Reservation charge is 50 rupees. Supplementary charges 45 rupees. AC 3 tier, code is 3A, alpha code is B. Minimum distance 300. Minimum charges 440 rupees. Reservation charges 40 rupees. Supplementary charges 45 rupees. AC chair car, code is CC, alpha code is C. Minimum distance 150 kilometers. Minimum fare is 211 rupees. Reservation charges is 40 rupees. Supplementary charges is 45 rupees. Sleeper class, code is SL, alpha code is S. Minimum distance is 200. Minimum charges 124 rupees. Reservation charges 20 rupees. Supplementary charges 30 rupees. Second class, 2S bar 2I, alpha code is D. Minimum distance 50 km. Minimum charge 30 rupees. Reservation charge 15 rupees. Supplementary charge 15 rupees. Okay friends, this is the reservation charges for mail bar express train. Okay friends, classes of accommodation on Indian Railways mail bar express train. Here we are seeing the fare of mail bar express train. Now we are going to see the ordinary trains. In ordinary trains, first class is also available. So first class, code is FC, alpha code is F. Minimum distance 10 km. Minimum charge 45 rupees. Reservation charges is 50 rupees. No supplementary charge because this is not a express train, super fast train. Okay. Sleeper code is SL, alpha code is S. Minimum distance 200. Minimum charges 78 rupees. Reservation charges 20 rupees. Second class suburban train, code is 2I, alpha code is not available. Minimum distance 10 km. Minimum fare is rupees 5. Reservation charges is 15 rupees. Second class non-suburban train, code is 2I, alpha code is not available. Minimum distance 10 km. Minimum fare is this is also 5 rupees. Reservation charges is 15 rupees. Okay friends, minimum charges fare in suburban section is rupees 5 rupees. Minimum charges fare in non-suburban section is rupees 10 rupees. Sorry friends, second class non-suburban minimum fare is 10 rupees. Okay. Minimum chargeable fare in suburban section is rupees 5 rupees. Minimum chargeable fare in non-suburban section is rupees 10 rupees. Okay. Below 5 years. Below 5 years child, fare collected free. Full fare collected if both or seat is opted by child. Okay friends. 5 years and above but below 12 years. Unreserved ticket, half of the adult fare. In case of reserved tickets, if no separate berth or seat is required, half of the adult fare. If separate berth is required, full fare will be collected. 12 years and above, full fare collected. Let us remind one time again. Below 5 years child, free. Below 5 years child, free. Full fare collected when if berth or seat is opted by the child. 5 years and above but below 12 years. In case of unreserved ticket, half of the adult fare will be collected. In case of reserved ticket, if no separate berth or seat is required, half of the adult fare will be collected. If seat or berth is required, full fare will be collected. 12 years and above, full fare will be collected. Okay friends. Coaching tariff, we are seeing lean period. February, March and August is called lean period because during this time the traffic of the passenger is very less, so railway reduce the fare of the train for motivate the passengers to come and board the train and travel by the train. Peak period, remaining 9th month is called peak period. Peak period means during this time, during this peak period, peak months, traffic is more. Okay friends. Minimum basic fare will apply to child tickets unreserved. Minimum basic fare will not apply to concessional and PTO tickets. This is very very important because in objective questions this type of objectives has been asked. Minimum basic fare will apply to child tickets unreserved. Minimum basic fare will not be applied to concessional and PTO tickets. Okay friends. Not opted separate berth, NOSB child. EQ is not allotted. Bed roll is not supplied. No reservation charge collected. Suppose NOSB child means he will not accepting the seat, not taking the seat or berth. In this condition, EQ is not allotted. Bed roll is not supplied. No reservation charge collected. If ticket is cancelled, only clerk charge are collected. If it is a 2-leg journey, berth is not accepted in the second leg. No separate seat, both allotted for a child below 5 years of age. The name, gender and age of the child to be given in the reservation form and also to the TT in the train. The passenger can mark their option for requirement of full berth or seat in the reservation form at the time of reservation itself. Okay friends, this is very very important. This is a new trains introduced by the Indian Railways: Tejas, Humsafar, Antyodaya, Duranto, Garib Rath, Uday, Gatiman, Vande Bharat, Suvidha, special fare train. These are very important. You can read, see, and what is the benefit, which pass PTO is available or not, eligible or not, how can we travel. Okay. Okay friends. Okay, in this class we are just only see the some basic information. Just we remind about new trains. Tejas, semi high speed train, 130 kmph and above, 1.2 times more than Shatabdi fare. Types: intercity, class EC and CC. Other features: pass PTO like Rajdhani eligible. Humsafar, base fare 1.15 times that of Malabar Express train. Service, day night service, third AC and SL both are available classes. Pass PTO like Rajdhani applicable. Antyodaya, Deen Dayalu coaches, conventional, base fare 1.15 times that of Malabar Express train, day night service, full, unreserved. Second class, vestibule for table water filtration available, concessional pass video not allowed. Duranto point to point AC plus non AC train, day night service or intercity service, separate fare structure for Duranto. Garib Rath, subsidized AC day night service, third AC and CC classes are available. Bedroll on payment of rupees 25. This is very BVI question because always in exams asked. Uday उत्कृष्ट डबल डेकर एसी यात्री इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस सीसी क्लास. गतिमान इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस एसी एंड सीसी क्लास. सुविधा डायनेमिक फेयर डे नाइट सर्विस एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट एसी एंड फर्स्ट क्लास. स्पेशल फेयर ट्रेन्स तत्काल फेयर फॉर ऑल डे नाइट सर्विस एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट एसी and first class. Okay friends, in this video we will see just only the basic information regarding our accommodation, class accommodation and the train services. Okay, thank you.